Living things are made up of small units which is called as cells. All the actions and processes in the bodies of living things are brought about with the help of these microscopic cells. So, some cells are unicellular and some are multicellular. So, what are they? Unicellulars are the one which are made up of only one cell. Multicellulars are the one which are made up of many cells. In unicellular, a single cell performs all the life function. On the other hand, there are specialized cells in the multicellular organisms which performs different life actions, for example, nerve cells. So, unicellular organisms are amoeba, bacteria. Multicellular organisms are human, cats, dogs, elephants, etc. So, the cellular structure is the main characteristics of living thing, even though the number of cells may vary here and there. Are the plants and animals useful to us or either they harmful? Yes, they both are useful as well as harmful to us. So, first we will see the useful living things. Plants are used for household as well as many industrial purposes. For example, methi, that is fenugreek, potato, okra, that is bhendi, is used for many household and industrial purposes. On the other hand, the useful plants like apple, banana or else strawberry are used as food, while vasaka, that is adulsa, hirda, beda, asparagus are used as medicines. So what do you think? Only plants are useful for us? No. Plants are useful for us, but on the other hand, animals are also useful for us. Like dogs, cats, cows, buffaloes, all are kept for the domestic uses. Fish, goat, hen, all are used for food. While animals like horses, donkeys, camels, all are used for various occupations. And the another useful animal is earthworm, which is known as the friend of farmer because it helps the farmer in agriculture. So these plants and animals are very useful for us in various ways as we have seen. So which are the harmful living things? So animals and plants around us are harmful for man as well. For example, mosquitoes and flies spread diseases. Lice and ticks also spread diseases. Cockroaches, mice, rats, what all they do? They destroy our food. And poisonous animals like lizards, spiders, snakes and scorpions all have poisonous bites. Hence, they can even cause death. The harmful living thing is the elephant. If this wild elephant enters the human settlement, what will happen? These elephants will cause a lot of destruction in the human settlements. Not only animals but plants are also harmful for us. Like some plants are very harmful. For example, pods of nettle, colocasia leaves cause itching. Plants like oleander, lantana have strong odors. The datura plant is very poisonous. Also, the uncontrolled growth of fungi or else algae in the water, what will happen? It will pollute the drinking water and hence it may cause various diseases. Hence, in this way, these plants are also harmful for the living things. So, what are wild animals? Wild animals are the one who hunt other animals for their food. They are also known as predators. For example, tiger, lions, wolves, leopards also hunt other animals for their food. So that's it for today's topic. Let's quickly revise the important